My last web-based technology is infographics with Vengage.com. You can upgrade, but it was free, and I was able to do it on multiple types of device, or at least two types of devices. Um, but when I first signed on, it made me pick like what I was looking at. So I picked reports like this modern report and flyers and stuff like that. Um, so my food truck project, they can do menus or they can make flyers or whatever they need to make. But my audience for this, I was going with my DLT team or my fellow teachers. And I was thinking we could actually make some really cool looking reports to go with, like when we're trying to figure out um, and presenting reports for, I went with MTSS. So this was just my sample. Um, I just picked the template and it's being really slow, but I just picked a template and just edited the template that I wanted. So that way, it, I didn't have to build anything from scratch. Okay, so here it finally came up. Here is my template. I made an MTSS report. These numbers are not correct. These are false numbers. This does not represent our school. But I made like a pie chart so that way teachers can kind of see how many we had in tier one, how many were in tier three, all that kind of stuff. And then there's like bar charts that we can compare three different benchmark testings. Or over here, you can compare different years of how many you had in the different things. Oh, here's my TPAC and ISTE. And then we have, you could label them. And so I'll kind of show you, like on this one, you just double click on it and it brings up your little things. And you can come in here and you can change stuff and manipulate all your numbers or whatever you want to do. Um, and then it brings it back over here and fixes it. Same with this one. I can come in here, I could adjust my colors to whatever I want. So if I want a purple instead of a red, and then I can change my colors again or my numbers again. Um, so it changes my graphs and gets it in there, and it's just so super easy to use and to add it in. So because like even on this one, you can go in and you can add columns. They're there, and once you put a number in it, um, it adds the column in for you, and then you can just keep on going and filling them out. So it automatically reads it for you, and you can customize it the way you want to. So, like I said, my audience for this one was my fellow teachers, and the goal is to make nice looking, colorful reports that aren't always available. Like you can get the numbers from some of the software. Ames Web has some very weird looking reports sometimes, and I thought if it's not hard to plug in the numbers in here and have it show you graphs. So that's my fifth web based technology.